Hi, my name is Jessica. I'm a Child Life volunteer, and today we're going to be making quick and easy DIY, do-it-yourself dirt cups. It takes like 2 minutes, it's super fast. I have all of the ingredients here, and let's get to it. So first you're gonna need to get your pudding cup. I already opened it up. And you're gonna wanna take an Oreo, and crush it in a baggie. I have one Oreo in here. And then you also want a bag of gummy worms. So you have your pudding, your Oreo crushed up, and your gummy worms. I have to open my gummy worms. And now for the fun part. So you're gonna take your pudding cup. Now some people get special, they'll like pour it into a bowl and layer it. This is quick and easy. You can totally do that, but for me, I'm just gonna do, you'll see. So I'm gonna take my Oreos and I'm gonna put them on top. So it looks like that. And then I'm gonna take my worms. I'm gonna put them on top. And look, easy, quick, whoa, DIY dirt cup. Hope you guys enjoy it.